Meaning of drab.
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 Drab. The word drab is an adjective that refers to something dull, uninteresting, and lacking in brightness or color. It can also describe someone or something that has a gloomy or depressing quality. The term is often used to describe a person's appearance or clothing that is plain, lackluster, and unattractive. Additionally, the word can be used to describe a situation or atmosphere that is uninspiring or tedious. In short, drab refers to something that is not visually appealing or engaging.